Let's move on to the final recipient of the Cavencare Ability Mastery Awards.
Vikram Vijay Lakshmi Agnihotri, Indore, Madhya Pradesh.
I met with an accident when I was 7 years old, when I came in contact with high tension wire, and I owe it to my family, especially my mother, who motivated me, who actually stood by me all the way and sort of gave me the courage to not only face but overcome the challenge.
With positivity and determination, Vikram completed his education and became financially independent. But the desire to be independently mobile was always there. After facing numerous challenges, Vikram obtained his license in 2015 and began helping others like himself.
Ever since as a child, all I wanted to do was race. So the license became a medium to actually fulfill my childhood passion.
Vikram began participating in car rallies, including Desert Storm, which is regarded as particularly challenging, covering 12,000 kilometers in the Rajasthan desert.
A person with both hands would, easily surpass things. But doing that for 8-9 hours a day with his feet, and that too, sometimes you have to speed, sometimes you have to drive it very slow. It's a little difficult.
Imagine a guy without his hands from his shoulder driving a car, that is okay, but becoming a car racer and getting 4 podium finishes out of the 6 car races in which he has participated is amazing.
Any parent would be very proud of what Vikram has achieved after the kind of issue that he had to face.
Vikram Vijay Lakshmi Agnihotri, recipient of the Cavencare Ability Mastery Award 2021.
Many congratulations, Vikram. Would you like to say a few words?
Appreciation can make a day, even change a life. Thank you, Cavencare and Ability Foundation, for recognizing my role in society and re-energizing me to carry on. I dedicate this award to my family, especially my mother, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Agnihotri, without whom none of this was even imaginable. I would also like to acknowledge each and everyone who had faith in me and motivated me to realize my full potential. I have faced several challenges on my way here, but each one of them has only strengthened my resolve. It's amazing what you can accomplish if you simply refuse to quit. I pledge to continue to serve the society with all my devotion. Last but not the least, I'd like to thank God for choosing me to show the power of the human spirit. Thank you, Cavencare and Ability Foundation, once again.
Thank you, Vikram. Govindakrishnan, Siddharth, Nandita and Vikram, the recipients of the Cavencare Ability Awards 2021. Let's celebrate their achievements with some music. We were delighted that Shankar Mahadevan accepted to be on the jury of the Cavencare Ability Awards. When we reached out to him afterwards to do something special for this awards function, he sang this song just for all of us. As we felicitate the Cavencare Ability Awardees of 2021, let's enjoy this beautiful song by Shankar Mahadevan.
Hey Vatan, mere Vatan, hey Vatan, आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। आबाद रहे तू। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं,
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं,
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू,
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
मेरे वतन,
आबाद रहे तू,
मेरे वतन,
आबाद रहे तू।
Thank you so much, Shankar, for doing this for us. I would now like to introduce our chief guest for the evening, Mr. A.R. Rahman. He has been associated with Ability Foundation for several years. As far as the Cavencare Ability Awards are concerned, he has been involved in different capacities over the years as chief guest for the event. He has also performed with persons with disabilities and he has been a member of the jury as well. Mr. Rahman, would you like to say a few words for us?
I've been associated with Ability Foundation for several years now, and I'm very happy to be here at the 19th Cavencare Ability Awards for Achievers with Disabilities. By showcasing potential and changing people's thinking on disability. Having been on the awards jury in the past, I know how difficult it is to pick just 4 people from among so many who are worthy. I congratulate the amazing recipients of this year, Govinda Krishnan, Siddharth, Nandita and Vikram. Good luck and God bless.
Thank you, A.R. Rahman, for your kind words. I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who has been part of the 19th edition of the Cavencare Ability Awards. Congratulations once again to all the recipients. And finally, I would like to thank all of you for being with us this evening. Vanakkam.